What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jermaine, back with another video. Back with another in real life video. This is gonna be a little walking tour. This is like, I'm starting off at basically 11th and Folsom. If you come through here at night, it would be popping. But right now, it's a little early. There are some places open, but this is not a daytime type place. This is definitely a nighttime type place. I think the reason why, like by being Soma's very new. Soma doesn't have that many, like, they have some, but they don't have a lot of like established restaurants. And Soma doesn't also have like a little strip. It's kind of like the businesses are all like around everywhere just because it's downtown. So it's almost very different, you know? Like you don't have, everything is not in a cluster. Like when you go to the marina, everything is like on Chestnut Street or Union. Or when you go to the Mission, everything is on Valencia, right? Or it's on Mission. It's a little bit different. But here is, yeah, Mission is more downtown, and downtown stuff is wherever it's at, basically. Stuff is wherever it's at. That's kind of funny. You get what I'm saying? Unlike in the neighborhoods, there's like an area where all the businesses are over here. It's a beautiful night. It's quite peaceful. It's quite warm.
Another day, another adventure.
Yay! Someone that knew me yelled out, "Another day, another adventure." That's what I'm talking about. Hey, I don't know what's the temperature like. I don't know if it's warm or if it's cold. I really don't know. I'm kind of feeling all sorts of things here. Woo! I think this place just recently closed down. But I think they're opening up a new location in the in Embarcadero Plaza, in Embarcadero Center. I think so. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this part of Soma was hella quiet. And I'll keep it real, this part of Soma was never like, it was never popping. It's actually more lively than it's probably ever been right now. Or no, before the pandemic, it was definitely a little bit more action going on here. But after the pandemic, more buildings have slowly opened up. And with new buildings opening up, it just makes there's like more people living here, but like, I don't know. Back in the day, like no one really lived in Soma. That's what I'm trying to say. And now there's just like, there's more and more stuff in Soma. But this part of Soma is kind of rough, man. Like at night, there's not a lot of shops open. And then also, yeah, it could be tricky to find stuff that's open in this part of Soma. And there's like no 7-Eleven in Soma, which is kind of crazy. Nothing like 24/7. I mean, I get it. They don't want to get looted, you know? 'Cause that's the thing that definitely happens. Or go in there and loot the shops, you know? I was watching some video on Instagram, and it was this 7-Eleven store. It was a truck dropping off the deliveries, but the people were taking the deliveries and like loading them up into a car, like robbing the folks. You know, people with masks on. And I thought that was crazy. I'm like, wait, they're just gonna rob the freaking truck like that? It's kind of nuts. If you guys are watching this video, make sure you give your homeboy Jermaine a thumbs up. Such a beautiful night. For people that like skyscrapers, there's one beautiful one. I'm just gonna kind of be quiet with this one. I'm not like this video. Like some videos I talk a lot, some videos I don't. I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling mellow right now. I kind of want y'all to hear how quiet it is. Yes, how quiet is it out here? You can see Sutro Tower over there. Sutro Tower is the tower that you see all over San Francisco. It's straight ahead, straight through the cracks there. Sutro Tower. Oh, it's such a great night. I'm gonna go ahead and cross. It is such a great night as we cross through. So like one block up at Market and Mission, they're gonna build a this building called Mission Point, Hayes Point or whatever. And they're not gonna build it anymore. But all these were gonna be like new in this neighborhood, like this one and the Mission Point that was gonna be down there. And then of course this one. And then this Honda dealership was supposed to be a building too, eventually. But they still haven't even torn that one down yet. To build buildings in the city, it could take a long time. Like it could be like 20 years, yo. Like you can be, they could be spending a lot of time on permits and on this and that. So that Honda dealership might not be a building for some time. I wonder, is the sidewalk open? No, it's not. Oh, it is open. It's really nice when the sidewalk's open. So there's this nice building. They had this sidewalk closed just for the longest. So you'd have to walk around. And it just kind of sucked because it's like, why don't open the sidewalk? But they had it closed because you'll see, it kind of changes over here real quick. And I'm so glad they opened the sidewalk. Down here you got, some lower cost hotels. And then right next door here, you got this fancy building at high rise. But I'm pretty sure the people that live there probably don't walk this way much. And if they do, they're probably used to it now. But it's a beautiful building. Wow, there's like nobody out. I think that's a walkway. This is going to be a street that's going to open up soon. It hasn't opened yet. And this will go straight up Stevenson. Now, a lot of people are used to Stevenson from downtown. But this is Stevenson too. But this is the 1100 block, so it's way up here. Wow, they closed this hotel. That's why you don't see anybody out here. Because if this hotel was open, you would, see at least some foot traffic. It's a ghost town over here. You don't see anybody out. All right, so for now, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Cool. See you later, alligator.